You know them things never let you pick them up.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Mom, you're going to have to come show her how to do this again. No, don't even look at me like that. No, just take your eyes off of me, please. Just put your hand down. Just sit your hand down in the middle of them and leave it there. See if anybody touches it. Go ahead, Misty. You're not afraid. Don't jerk away. In the middle. That bird just tried to attack you, dude. Excuse me. Ah! I was trying to get him back over to you. Come here. Because you have to touch the front of their feet. Once you stop doing that, see?
There you go. Come on.
See?
Come on.
Don't get it close to me. I swear to God. Oh my God. Stay in my safe distance away from you. Misty, can you put the thing back now? That thing is freaking me out. Put your other hand out there. Put your other hand out there. It's gonna escape. It's gonna escape. Huh? I told her what to do. And she listened to me. Usually if you listen to me, it comes true. But it's gonna escape. It's planning it. It's planning it escape. You're supposed to do it with your index finger, not your pinky. I'm gonna let it walk on me. Maybe.
Give Mom the video camera.
I can't do that yet.
Give Mom the video camera.
I can't do it yet.
Mom, take the video camera from her.
Don't touch me. Put it back in the cage. Thank you.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Did you get it?
Stop.
You got it?
It was trying to peck me. It was trying to peck me.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Come on. Not that way.
Misty, get closer to the thing. Don't make it stretch. You're making it stretch. Gonna pull his head off.
You gotta get it this way. Don't look at me. That's gonna pick you. Pretty bird. Oh, put your nose.
Alright, let's go. I don't know how you stop it.
How can you let it just sit there and peck your hand?
How can I let it do what?
Sit there and peck your hand. It's gonna kill you.
You wouldn't let you?
No.